Machine learning in healthcare. Using Python for predictive modeling. Machine learning is making a significant impact on healthcare, providing new opportunities for diagnosis, disease prediction, and treatment outcome evaluation. In this video, we will explore how Python is used to create predictive models in healthcare, with a specific focus on Python libraries like TensorFlow, Keras, and PyTorch. What is predictive modeling in healthcare? Predictive modeling is the process of creating models that predict outcomes based on existing data. In healthcare, this could involve predicting the likelihood of disease development, determining treatment effectiveness, or even diagnosing diseases from medical images. Machine learning is a powerful tool for building these models because it allows us to analyze large volumes of data and uncover hidden patterns that are not apparent through traditional methods. How is Python used for predictive modeling in healthcare? Python is one of the most popular programming languages for developing and applying machine learning. It offers a wide array of libraries and tools that make it easier to build predictive models, and it is widely used in healthcare. Let's explore how Python helps in this field, with a special focus on TensorFlow, Keras, and PyTorch. TensorFlow and Keras, powerful tools for building neural networks. TensorFlow is an open-source library developed by Google for creating and training neural networks. In healthcare, TensorFlow is used to develop complex machine learning models, including deep learning models for medical image analysis, genomic data processing, and disease prediction. TensorFlow has many built-in tools and optimizations to improve performance, making it an excellent choice for medical applications that handle large data volumes. Keras is a high-level neural network library that is now integrated into TensorFlow. Keras allows you to quickly and easily build and train models using a simple and intuitive syntax. For medical applications, this means that developers can create and train models for disease prediction or analyzing medical images faster. For example, using Keras, you can build a model that analyzes medical images and detects signs of diseases like cancer. PyTorch. Flexibility and ease for research purposes. PyTorch is another powerful machine learning library that is actively used in research projects and developing predictive models in healthcare. Unlike TensorFlow, PyTorch is known for its flexibility, which makes it a preferred tool for research purposes, where more control over the model training process is required. In healthcare, PyTorch is used to create models that help predict treatment efficacy, identify disease biomarkers, or analyze genetic data to predict inherited diseases. Machine learning applications in healthcare. Machine learning has numerous applications in healthcare, ranging from diagnosis to treatment prediction. Here are a few examples of how machine learning is used in medicine. Disease prediction. Machine learning models can analyze patient data such as medical history, age, gender, lifestyle, and lab results to predict the likelihood of developing diseases like cancer, diabetes, or cardiovascular diseases. For example, using models created with Python and TensorFlow or Keras, we can predict the likelihood of breast cancer based on mammogram images. Treatment outcome prediction. Machine learning can help doctors determine which treatment methods will be most effective for a particular patient. For example, predictive models can assess how a patient will respond to a specific drug or therapy based on their medical data and genetic information. This helps doctors make more informed decisions and personalize treatment. AI-powered diagnostics. Machine learning models are also used to diagnose diseases from medical images like X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans. With TensorFlow and Keras, models can be built to automatically detect pathological changes in images and assist doctors in making more accurate diagnoses. For example, deep learning models can be developed to diagnose pneumonia from chest X-rays. How to get started with machine learning in healthcare. If you want to start using machine learning for healthcare applications, you need to learn a few key tools and technologies. Here are some steps to help you get started. Learn Python. Python is the primary programming language for machine learning, and if you want to work in healthcare, it will be your essential tool. Learn Python libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and scikit-learn for data processing and building simple machine learning models. Learn TensorFlow and Keras. If you want to work with deep learning, mastering TensorFlow and Keras is essential. These libraries allow you to build powerful neural networks and train them on large medical datasets like images or genetic data. Master PyTorch. If you are working in research and need more flexibility, PyTorch is a great choice. Learn this library for building and training machine learning and deep learning models. Machine learning has immense potential to transform healthcare, and Python, with its powerful libraries like TensorFlow, Keras, and PyTorch, is the go-to tool for developing predictive models. These models assist with diagnosis, disease prediction, and personalized treatment, significantly improving the quality of healthcare. Mastering these technologies will open up many opportunities for developing and applying innovative solutions in medicine.